We could send it over.
Hello. Hello. You want to play? Yeah. You right? Love your daddy. You love your daddy more than anyone else in the world.
No. Mummy.
You gonna say hello? Hello, Artie. Hello, Artie. Mwah. I've been eating vanilla biscuits. They were very, very nice.
He knows, he's had some.
Good morning. Good morning. We slept the whole night through. Good morning. Good morning to you. Good morning. Good morning. We slept the whole night through. Good morning. Good morning to you. Yeah. There's Mr. Flibber Flobber. Mr. Flibber Flobber, Flibber Flobbing.
He's a bit wet.
Have you been eating, Mr. Flibber Flobber? Huh?